Ever wondered about the healing wonders that might be lurking in your kitchen? Today, we focus on the humble, crunchy carrot. This vibrant vegetable, often overlooked, is a treasure trove of health benefits just waiting to be discovered. Its bright orange hue, a telltale sign of its richness in beta-carotene, hints at the wealth of nutrients hidden beneath its skin. Carrots have been a staple in kitchens around the world for centuries, each culture having their unique ways of incorporating this versatile veggie into their cuisines. From the ancient Romans who believed in the carrot's medicinal properties, to our grandmothers who insisted on its vision-boosting abilities, this root vegetable has been revered through the ages. But it's not just about history and tradition. Modern science, too, has begun to uncover the numerous ways carrots contribute to our health and well-being. So, let's pull back the curtain and explore the hidden wonders of carrots. Stay with us as we delve into the nutritious world of carrots. The carrot, a root vegetable often claimed to be the perfect health food. It's crunchy, tasty, and highly nutritious. What makes it so? Let's unpack the nutritional values that have earned carrots a place in our kitchens and our hearts. Firstly, let's talk about vitamins. Carrots are an excellent source of vitamin A, thanks to the high amount of beta-carotene they contain. This substance is converted into vitamin A in your body and plays a crucial role in maintaining good vision. It also supports a healthy immune system and promotes proper functioning of our organs. But that's not all. Carrots also offer a good dose of several B vitamins, including biotin, which is known for its role in fat and protein metabolism, and vitamin K1, essential for blood coagulation and bone health. They're also a source of vitamin C, an antioxidant that boosts your immune system and aids in iron absorption. Moving on to minerals, carrots provide a good amount of potassium, which is crucial for controlling blood pressure, and manganese, a powerful antioxidant that plays a key role in metabolizing carbohydrates and proteins. Next up is fiber. Carrots have a significant amount of dietary fiber, particularly soluble fiber, which can lower blood sugar levels by slowing down digestion of sugar and starch. This fiber also feeds the friendly bacteria in your gut, contributing to a healthy gut flora and reducing the risk of certain health conditions. Let's not forget about water and calories. Carrots are made up of about 88% water, making them incredibly hydrating. Plus, they're low in calories, with a medium-sized carrot containing just about 25 calories. So, snacking on carrots can help keep you full without packing on the pounds. Carrots are not just a colorful addition to your plate, they're a powerhouse of nutrition, packed with vitamins, minerals, fiber, and more. With all these nutritional values, it's no surprise that carrots have a long list of health benefits. But what makes carrots a healing wonder? Let's find out. Carrots, with their bright orange hue, are often overlooked in the produce aisle, yet they hold an array of healing properties. From the days of our ancestors, carrots have been cherished for their health benefits, and rightfully so. For starters, carrots are a rich source of beta-carotene, a type of vitamin A, which contributes significantly to our eye health. This nutrient helps protect our eyes from the sun and lowers our chances of cataracts and other eye conditions. But the wonders of carrots don't stop there. They are also known for their cancer-fighting properties. Research suggests that the antioxidants found in carrots may help reduce the risk of various types of cancer, including lung and breast cancer. In addition to these, carrots are a powerhouse of nutrients that boost our immunity. They are packed with vitamin C, which aids in the production of white blood cells, our body's primary defense mechanism against diseases. Our skin also reaps the benefits of carrots. The vitamins and antioxidants they contain help promote a healthy complexion, protect against sun damage, and even reduce the signs of aging. Moreover, carrots aid in digestion thanks to their high fiber content. They also help control blood pressure by regulating the amount of blood flow and preventing hypertension. Such a common vegetable, yet packed with so many healing properties. So, next time you crunch into a carrot, remember all the good it's doing for your body. From its rich nutritional values to its healing wonders passed down through generations, carrots truly are a marvel in our kitchens. As we've explored today, incorporating more of this vibrant vegetable into your diet can bring about remarkable health benefits. Let's continue to unearth the healing wonders right under our noses, one bite at a time. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and check out our next video in the Healing Wonders series.